Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1997 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra. Neat car, guys. I bought it from a gentleman here locally. Matter of fact, he just drove it in. We literally wiping it down and shooting it. We are just getting behind, and I know people are getting upset because cars are getting sold before we get pictures and videos done. But so I'm just going to go for it on this one. There's a couple little things that we're going to have to take care of on the front of it. Looks like driving it in, he got something on it, and so I'll have Marlon from OMG come down and get it off. But a couple little stone pecks and stuff like that. But 26,000 original miles. We have all the paperwork where the car was bought brand new. Factory color, Pacific green metallic, the factory saddle leather interior, and nice car. What I'm talking about is he's gotten something has splashed up on this car, and I don't want to mess up the paint, so we'll have Marlon come down and get it off for us. Little haze in the headlights. Again, there's a couple stone pecks. We'll try to get a touch-up pen for those. Again, same thing, little haze in the headlights. I think that's just a bug, guys. But we literally just wipe it down. We're shooting. This is how nice he kept this car. Little stone peck there in the glass. I think that's a bug up there, guys. Love the color combination. Really pretty with the saddle leather. Rear defog, it's got the optional 460 Mach sound system in it. I think those are 245, 45, 17 Bridgestones all the way around it. Little mark there. I think that's just a sticker where he actually bought it. I think he said he bought this. I think he said he bought this car in Pennsylvania. Another little mark. That might come out. You can see a little, that's a clear coat on the wheels. Dual power mirrors. Pretty car. These are 4.6 liter supercharged engines, 5-speed manual trans. Power rack and pinion, 4-wheel disc brakes, air, and it's got all the original stickers and everything underneath on their body panels here. Fun little car for somebody. Splashed up on something, so like I say, we'll have our detail guy come down and take a look at it, and I just don't want to be rubbing any chemicals on the paint. Again, dual mirrors. It's just a bug, yep. Somebody's little sweetheart right here. Power windows, power locks. Factory bucket seats. This is a power driver's seat. Center console, tilt column. Back seat looks like nobody's ever sat in it. 26,573. That is your original mileage. And it's got the Mach sound system on it. Stainless dual exhaust, factory traction-lock rear axle. We do have a cover for it as well. He's put a full-size spare in this thing. If you notice how nice that wheel is, that's just a little rubber that you're seeing. All the original paperwork here goes with the car. Owner's manuals, there's a couple little receipts, window sticker. And again, we do have a car cover for it. We just pulled it out so we can show you the trunk. Really cool, fun car, man. You're looking for something, a little collector car, keep in the garage and have some fun with on nice days. I think you will love this car. That back seat looks brand new. There's a little wear on that driver's seat, but even this one looks new. For me, Eddie, just got the tach works, gauges are all functional. Air's blowing nice and cold in there. It's hot today. Car. Radio works, optional CD player, power windows work. Fog lights are working. Put your headlights back on. You need headlights? There you go. I didn't see them. I seen the fog lights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video.